Borosil traders, and friends, today we are going to see one of the best ever return given company in our portfolio, which is Borosil Renewables. So, friends, as you all know, we picked this around like 100 rupees near range, and it given a multi-bagger returns till the date also. And friends, from here onwards, what we have to look. So, as for pricing profile, we expect like a 500 level is going to be a good level. That means it is the worst scenario support, but still I didn't hope it will come up to that level, friends. Why? Because the buying and everything coming in between itself. Why? Because I am going to explain you. So, friends, we are going to see the quarterly results from next month onwards. So, if the quarterly results of the top nifty funds will perform bad, so then we are going to see more selling pressure. But if you see little bit okay numbers from quarter on quarter and year on year, market will hold at current levels. Why I'm telling that means as market falls, so Borosil renewables also will fall. So there is nothing. So same thing happened in the last 2 days. But one thing I want to show you is the fundamentals of the company, the fundamentals of the business. So as we all know, Borosil renewables is the solar glass manufacturing company, and which is a highest capacity non Chinese companies. So except Chinese companies, except China, after that, this is the only biggest solar glass manufacturing company throughout the world. So first thing first, so this company announced later in 2019 about their expansion plans. So if you observe here, so we will commission our third solar glass furnace in financial year 23. That means this year already 6 months completed. We still have 6 months for 680 crores. So this is not for now. So already they are having these capital. That means this money for this expansion, and the furnace will have 550 tons per day. Already they are having 450 tons per day, I think so. And with that they are adding 550 tons per day, and will take company's total to 1000 tons per day. And next thing what they are explaining is, so basically government also plays a key role in every sector or in every company's product pricing and export imports. So if the same product imported very cheaply from other countries, that is very negative for domestic companies. So if government given some basic customs duty to import that product from other countries, it will be like good for domestic players. So same thing happened here. So government given like a basic customs duty for these products from April 1st onwards. So that is going to be a very good thing for this company. And so here like the domestic demand will be extension of anti-dumping duties on Chinese solar plants. So this is given. So the dumping duty given for all the things, then they are expecting like demand will increase on domestically. So next thing which we are going to see is like, so Borosil Renewables invest 1500 crores in 2 years to add capacity 2.5 times, friends. So they are planning for 2.5 times for their present capacity. So just imagine that their capacity is now at 4.5. So by the year end of this, they are planning for 1000. So 2 times 2.6 2600 tons per day of solar panels, and to generate 15 gigawatts of power. So friends, just imagine if you get this much of a capability, or really this much of a capacity on live, how much revenue they are going to get, how much profitability they are going to do. So that's the major thing we have to look into it in this company in going forward. And friends, one thing if you observe here, so already recently like 2 3 days back, they said that they bought a company in Europe, so which is having like 500 tons per day, so 300 tons per day. So they are planning to expansion for that company to 500. So presently it is 300, they are planning to increase 200 tons per day for that company also. So that is also a positive. And presently 450 tons per day plus 300, so already the acquisition completed. So their revenue and their business also will add from next quarter onwards. So in this quarter results, we didn't get much revenue and business from that European, but still we hope we get those numbers will add into the balance sheets from next quarter onwards. So still the business is added, right? So that much of revenue and that much of business increase is also very important. Next one, if you are going to see, this is the company name Interfloat Group. So Borosil Renewables to acquire Europe's largest solar glass maker, Interfloat Group. So this is a very important thing, and we are going to see a major thing under this. So I clearly explained you about the expansion and all those things. So presently 450, with this acquisition, 300 tons per day, it went up to 750 tons per day. So by the year end, the company planning to take their third plant, so which is like 500 tons per day to live. So that is another thing, and they are planning to increase the 300 of European into 500. That is another thing which they are planning. So this is a major positive thing for the company. And next one, friends, wait a minute, and see, so this Borosil Renewables got a PLI scheme for solar module industry in budget. So this is a monopoly stock in this glass manufacturing sector. That is also a positive thing for the company, which is a good one, right? So this much of 19,500, in that little bit of amount will come to this company under PLI scheme, which is positive for Borosil Renewables. So next thing is like uh, duty on solar module sales to continue. Don't want imports. So there are no plans to review the basic customs duties laid on solar panels and modules. So which is like June 10th, 2022. Means so this year itself, this month itself. So I already mentioned you, right. So on April, yeah, April 10th on April 1st onwards, Indian government given like 40%. So let's go to the next article. We are going to see those things. If you see here, like, Indian government announced the applicability of basic customs duty of 25% on imported solar cells and 40% on imported modules from April 1st, 2020. So this is going to be a burden for project developers to import products from other countries. So if they buy products from domestic players, they will get with a good price. It's not a problem at all. So, but one thing is, little price will go up. So that is the only thing happened as of now. And the next one, friends, if you are going to see, domestic solar capacity installation is 50% over 3 gigawatts in January to March. So this is a positive for our industry. And next one is like so basics, like fundamentals of the company. So those are the major things like expansion, and what are the government giving positive things for the company, and a new acquisition, and these all are the things which is a very positive things. And shareholding pattern wise, like players, whenever they feel that share price is high, they are dumping their shares. So whenever they feel that at bottom out, they are increasing their shares. So FIs are playing in this, and shareholding is not a problem at all when you consider this as a fundamentally strong peak. If you go to see the financials, this is the main thing where we have to look majorly. So as per financial years, so the total revenue 246 crores for the 2019, for 2020 270, so 274, which is a positive thing in the financial year 2021. So if you see a jump of 100% in revenue, and from financial year 21 to 22 as of now, still in this present financial year 2022, I think 2022 financial year completed, but things has to see in coming quarter. As of now, also you see, right, quarterly basis already it's 664, right, last highest. So if you observe quarterly, it posted a very good number, also already posted a very good number. Um, Friends, next thing, if you observe here, cash flows, peers, and holdings, everything. So it's good, not a problem at all, and its market capital is also not a small. So it's like above 5,000 crores company, and which comes like small cap, but still, if you see with a market cap of 8,000 crores, right? So it's a not a problem at all. But still, analysts also giving like buy recommendation on this, and see here the improvement in revenues as on year, it's a very good thing. And here we are not getting quarterly numbers, but show like trend line. So if you do this, so Borosil Renewables financials, if you go to financials directly, so quarterly. So see here like 664 crores as of 20 2021. So until this it went like 664 crores, which is a good number. But due to this 33% fall is one thing which taking a margin pressure. But now, as of now, it's not a problem at all. Fuel costs and all those things are decreasing, right? So we are going to see positive way and continuous net profit above 45 crores, so which is a positive thing. And we hope like this moment, like there is an incremental things in revenue, which is a positive for the company. So if you see here, March numbers are looking good. So June little bit slow, and September is okay. So like that. So thank you, friends.